Hey guys, welcome back to Ray the Clay again. I'm Ray and today we're gonna be making bang Mini P.E.K.K.A. So today we're gonna turn my selfie stick's remote control into Mini P.E.K.K.A. So first of all, let's put the clay on it. Well, but it doesn't want to stick on that, so I'm gonna use the glue to glue it on place. Oh, need to be careful here, cause I don't want it to be unclickable. Successfully! Now let's put the rest on. Okay, now let's finalize it and remove all the excess clay. Now I am using some water to smoothen it, so the surface will be easy to handle. And one more thing, we need to make sure that we can charge it later. Oh good, perfect! Now let's start to make the armor. And this will be the muffler. We just done making the face mask. Now let's start with the body armor. Oh, and I just noticed that he has a very fashionable crop top. Now let's make the side armors, or should I say little skirt. Sorry. Now let's make the legs. And the hands. And and mixing colors. So we're gonna have the colorful blue crystals on P.E.K.K.A's body. And by the way, is this video too long for you? So should I keep making this long but detailed video? Or should I just make a shorter video so it would be less boring? So please let me know. I'll greatly appreciate it.
Thank you.
Oh, missing the sword. And let's finalize it, so we are good to go. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. There's a like button. If you would like to see more from me, please hit the subscribe button. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.
I love you so much, I
hate you. Ha ha ha.